So I just got done with my last meeting of the day. The last thing I want to do is try to figure out dinner. So let's create a game on EasyLens to help me decide. Hello, I'm Swan, and today we're going to create our first game on EasyLens. EasyLens has both an iPhone and Android app. For this tutorial, we'll be using the web version. Go to easylens.snapchat.com. So on EasyLens, let's click Thinking Mode. Thinking Mode is the best for gaming. Make me a game to help choose between. Okay. What kind of dinner picker game should it feel like? Do I want a spin wheel? Catch the Craving? Cuisine battle? Let's play Catch the Craving. Mostly random, prefer weighted, elimination bracket. Let's do elimination bracket. Clean menu board, arcade takeout, hungry chaos. I'm always about the chaos factor. Oh, there it is. Oh, perfect. Ah. Okay, let's try to catch some stuff. Okay, let's see here. Mexican survives. Okay. Oh no. There's so much. Ah, I lost it. Seafood survives. Tonight's dinner is seafood. Perfect. Now we know what to order. I like this game. It was perfect on the first go. But in case you want to change anything, there's these blocks, such as text on screen, that you can click and change. You can also change the generative music and look at the JavaScript. I'm not even going to edit this one. I think this is perfect to go. Let's package it and let's hit publish. Okay. I like these tags. Let's do Lens Creator Rewards, share on Snapchat, Spotlight, publish. Perfect. Let's play some games within EasyLens. Go to Interactive and see our library of games. Let's find a game to play. Oh my God, I love this. Pixel Pet. Okay, let's do fast, feed, play, clean, sleep. Skip 1 hour, play, feed, clean. I think I'll have more fun creating a game. Well, I have 20 minutes until my food arrives, so I don't know about you guys, but I love rhythm games. So let's create a rhythm game with seafood. Again, hit thinking mode. Create for me a seafood rhythm. Make it under the sea. How should the player hit the beats? Tap lanes, swipe current, dragon net. Let's do dragon net. What should the underwater music feel like? Tropical bounce, deep sea EDM, pirate shanty. Let's do a Rave in Atlantis and pick deep sea EDM. How far should the seafood theme go? Clean arcade, seafood concert, Kraken final. Let's do Kraken final. Oh, there's a finale? Oh my God. There it goes. Whew. Okay, that was a really good game. I'm actually amazed at how well it turned out for the first go. So I have no edits. I don't know about you guys, but I have no edits. But if you do want to edit, we have all these block features. You can change the UI progress bar. You can change the text on the screen. Generative music. Let's bring up the volume a little bit higher. Perfect. And again, if you want the code, it's right here. This is my favorite game so far. Let's package it. And let's hit publish. Again, Lens plus payouts, public, share on Snap, share on your Spotlight, and let's hit publish. Perfect, perfect timing. My food just arrived. Hopefully this inspired you to create your first game on EasyLens.